Hey there YouTube, welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So, I've got this motion sensor light and recently the bulb burned out. So I threw in real quick just this like warm light one and it's flashing like crazy. I don't know how well the camera can kind of pick it up right now. Cause there we go. Well, sort of. So sometimes the rate at which like the film frames hit and the rate that like certain things kind of hit are different. So like if you've ever seen like a car review and it seems like the lights are just going bah, 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 or like right now where it looks like it's off, it's not off, it's still flashing. But it's just how the flash lines up with the framing in the film. Like right now, or yeah, it's flashing like crazy. It's like just going. And the big thing here is that, I mean, now that they don't sell like the old incandescent bulbs, the LED bulbs have been kind of hit and miss over here. So when I replaced this one, this was just one of those like simple bulbs. So it was like a 60 watt replacement one. And I think it doesn't pull enough power to let the housing know that it's on. And I think that flashing is kind of an issue with not having a heavy enough bulb, so to speak. And these I think I got for free from like an energy audit kind of thing. So my wife doesn't like the warm light. She's more of a daylight light kind of person. So I hopefully got something to fix this. I went with just this LED general purpose one. You can kind of see daylight. So this is a does it show? There it is. So this is a 5,000 light appearance and stuff like that. So on like the higher, wider side. So this should be pretty decent. Energy used is 15 watts, so a little bit heavier of a pull. I'm hoping this gets rid of that flash. And then it's funny because this is a 100 watt bulb equivalent. And then should have 1650 lumens. So should be fairly bright. And then one of the things you always want to kind of check on this is whether or not it's suitable for damp conditions. If it's outside, it's going to be damp conditions. And this has enclosed fixture required for outdoor use. I'm going to say that's fairly enclosed. But here's hoping this has enough oomph not to be all crazy flashy. Because while interesting right about now, which is Halloween, you know, it makes for kind of a cool like, oh, strobe light effect. I'm not digging it. And I never buy bulbs based on like years of life, because honestly, whether they're CFLs, so like the compact fluorescent bulbs, so maybe they, you know, they're the kind of twisty turly curly Q ones and stuff, or these, it always seems like, you know, it's supposed to last all these years, but really it only lasts like 3, maybe 2. So, you know, it's always interesting. All right. And this is awesome. So it looks on camera like it's on solid, and it is on solid. So, woohoo! So if you've got, say, an old light fixture that has like a motion sensor, and you know you've got to replace the bulb, and all of a sudden it starts flashing when you install like an LED or something, there's a good chance that it's not pulling down quite enough power. Now the really interesting part for me though is that once this triggers, is this going to be so bright that the motion sensor lights aren't going to trigger because it's thinking it's daylight. Oh, you fix one problem, you start another one. Well, the good news was going to be that when you test the light out, it worked fine, but that almost looks like there's a face in the mulch. Anywho, so super bright, light kicks on fine, motion sensors all work, so no issues there, no excessive amount of light to cause the motion sensors to think it's daylight. So problem solved, no crazy flickery light, just the neighbor's dog probably wondering where dinner is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll check you next time.